Hello friends, I'm a tiny tomato studying in class 6. Today we'll be trying out water drops. This is my scroll pouch for graphite pencils. From this I'm taking out the 10B, the 2B and the 6B pencils. And of course, you will be needing a white charcoal pencil and a few stumps for blending. For the highlights, I'm using white gel pens. I'll tell you the needs and requirements of my white gel pen later on in the video. For this water drops, I'm using grey tone sheet, and grey tone sheet adds lots of realistic look in your drawings on whatever you're doing. So first I'm sketching out the outlines of teardrops and circles. You can do what shape you want of any random circles or teardrops. Then I'm using a 10B pencil and shading it. I'm slightly erasing the part of the 2B pencil that I used to make the outlines, because we're using white charcoal pencil and the graphite may be seen through it. That won't give a realistic look. Then I'm using the 6B to shade it. Then in a few areas I'm just taking the 2B pencil and shading it. Now take the stump and blend the graphite in a circular motion. Do blend with patience or your drawing might come angry. Now after the blending, if you see that you have lots of excess graphite lines, use an eraser or a kneader eraser to just get rid of that graphite. Now time to add the highlights. Take the white charcoal pencil and make a neat, nice outline above the shadow. That will give your water drops the water and the wet effect of your drawing. Now time for the highlights. Take the white gel pen and start making neat curvy lines on the graphic. I'm using the 05, 08 and 10 gel pens. So I am using white gel pens because that gives you make thin lines and great effects on your drawings. Instead of this white gel pen, you can use either white paint with thin brushes or a white correctioner pen, or you can just get out some white ink and use a non working pen and dip it into the white ink and use that as your highlights. Now the last but not the least, I'm using my black gel pen and making an outline above the shadow. So it is separated from the shadow and it's seen as a nice water drop. Now since my white charcoal pencil is not bright enough, I'm taking the white charcoal pencil once again and I'm just going on the same area where I had made my strokes of white charcoal pencil a few minutes Now I'm writing my name, Tiny Tomato, and of course I can't forget my heart. Okay, now we're done. Do try this at home. Thank you. Love you all. We'll meet in the next video. Bye.